So hey folks, welcome back, and in this video we'll be discussing a new approach for buying test series. So let's get started. So in this new approach we'll be going with buying two mock test series, that is Time and IMS. So let me just give you a background that why I want you to buy two mock test series. So the number one point is that time test series and IMS test series are made by different people. So let's say a scenario in which you are taking only one mock. Let's say you're taking only time mocks. Then you will only be getting the flavor of the question paper setup from a single perspective only. But if you're also going with another mocks of, let's say, IMS, then you'll actually get to know different type of questions and different mindsets behind those test series, right? So I would actually recommend you to go with two mock test series, that is Time and IMS. So guys, also one more thing about the discounts is that all the test series would be having some open mocks. So in that open mocks, if you perform good, you will be given some discount, let's say 10%, 30%, depending on the percentile you get in that mocks, right? So it would be also helpful for getting some discounts. And number two point is that I already mentioned is about the local centers, that is you visit over there, or else you can also email them that you want a financial aid or something. So hey folks, I've already made a video on which is the best test series for CAT exam. So if you haven't watched it, please see the link of the video in the description box. So let me just write IMS test series. So this is the link, and in this we can see the test series which are available and what are the options available. So now there are two kind of cases. The first case is when you are actually enrolled in a coaching institute, like if you're going for an online coaching or an offline coaching, then I would recommend that the last option, which is SimCAT 2020, is more than sufficient, because it would be providing you all the video solutions of 15 proctored SimCATs and 25 unproctored SimCATs. So you will be getting 40 SimCATs in just around 4,000 rupees plus 18% GST, right? So in the first option, which is e-test series plus 2020, you will be getting all these options. But believe me that you won't be getting time if you are already enrolled in an coaching institute. So I would recommend just buying this SimCAT 2020, which would include all those things of 40 mocks. So you will also be having some scholarship options available. So here are the options which are available. If you want to check what are the options like, then you can go to the waiver policy. Here is the waiver policy. In this, the first option in which you will get 50% scholarship, that is your 4,000 rupees will be 2,000 plus 18% GST. So if you're given your card before and you got calls from the elite institutes, so you can check all those information here. So you get a 50% scholarship if you get calls from, let's say, IIM Bangalore, Calcutta, and so on and so forth, right? And you'll also have to provide the proof for the same. So here are all these scholarship options which are available, and yeah, how to avail the scholarship. So you can just write an email to this email ID and also attach the concerned proofs. So now let me just check about time test series. So let me just Google search it, and here's the first link. So here they have written that the AIMCAT's schedule and the pricing strategy is not available. It will be available in April or May, but I don't know why, due to the COVID-19 situation, it is still delayed. So I wanted to give you an overview of the pricing. So you can go to the correspondent courses, and here you can see that there are 14 AIMCATs and 12 OMATs. So believe me that this is more than sufficient. Even if you are a fresher or else even if you are a working professional, you won't get that much time to attempt 40 IMS SIM cards and 14 AIMCATs of time. So the game changer would be how much you analyze from a mock. it is not about the quantity of mocks that you give. It is more about what are your key takeaways from giving a mock, and how do you analyze your mistakes and how do you improve on it. So my final verdict would be buying two test series. The first would be IMS, which is the 4,000 rupees, but I'm sure you'll be getting some discounts. And if by the name of scholarships, or even if you're not getting any discount, you can visit the IMS center in your locality and ask them, because they also have some targets to achieve. So I'm sure that they will be providing you some fee waiver. And the same goes for time as well. They will also provide you some scholarship or fee waiver, so you can visit the local test centers for your time or IMS. So basically you will be buying both the test series. Alright, so thank you so much folks for watching this video, and if you like my content, please like, share and subscribe. I would be also making a video of ANMAT exam whose paper pattern has been changed. So see you in the next video, and please do subscribe the channel.